with my friends, trouble in my life, problems when you don't come home at night. But when you do, you always pick a fight. See, I can't be alone. I need you to come on home. I know you're messing around, but who the hell is gonna hold me down? I gotta be off my mind to think it's gonna work this time. A part of me wants to leave, but a part of me still believes, and nothing kills me to know how much I really love you. So much I wanna to you. Should I grab his tail and call the chick and say some things and then hang up? Or should I be a lady? Ooh, baby, I wanna have his
You're singing very, very well. I like you.
So far, the most consistent contestant for the competition. You look super hot. You sounded...
What a perfect performance.